So just getting ready for Breakie Club this morning. Today we are going to Legends Café at GT Motorcycles. It looks like we've got quite a good turnout for this one. I've got about 10 people coming. We've got a little table booked. So yeah, let's go get Breakie. Woo!
Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there lived a fair maiden. She would soon to take on a quest, more daring and brave than any man's stomach could withstand. To find the best biker-friendly place to have Breakie in the southwest. With the help of some hungry souls, she would search far and wide, thus finding the best Breakie in the land. These brave souls would become part of the legendary Best of the West Breakie Club.
So, Breakie Club this morning. Today's visit we are going to GT Motorcycles. Meeting everyone in the usual spot. Rock and roll. Woohoo! Just everyone for the minute. Hoping more people will meet us there. Right, so that was Donna leading. I managed to lead absolutely everybody. As soon as I come around the corner. So here we are, Legends Cafe, GT Motorcycles. So yeah, quite a good little bit of parking and stuff there. And we're just gonna go and have a little look inside. So yeah, we've got quite a lot of facilities here. You've got your helmet park, stuff like that. There's everyone there having Breakie Club. Quite a few little people there. Oh, sorry, gents. Today you've got quite a lot of places to sit down. Some good facilities. And this is your little cafe. Now they are also motorbike dealership. So yeah, you've got quite a lot going on here as well, and then upstairs they've obviously got all their clothing range and stuff as well. So yeah, quite a lot of facilities here. And yeah, quite a nice little cafe.
'Twas an okay-ish breakfast from Legends Cafe. But in order for the Best of the West Breakie's Club quest to be successful, the findings will not be revealed until all breakfasts have been eaten. Our next quest will take place on Sunday the 13th of May, where we will visit the legendary Chapter 1 Diner at Indian Queens.